Good morning children, this is Sumalata, Maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today we are going to continue the same topic of fractions and in that conversions. Now look at this. Convert the following improper fractions into mixed fractions. Improper fractions means what, children? Already I told you in the previous video. Improper means which is numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. And that we need to convert into the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means combination of whole numbers and proper fraction. Come on, let's see these fractions. 23 by 5. So 23 by 5 is improper fraction, children. This we need to convert into the mixed fraction. How we can convert this? See, 23 by 5 means the 23 you divide by 5. 23 you have to divide by 5. Okay. So 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So 3 minus 0 3. 2 minus 2 0. Over now here division. After completing the division, children, this number you take it as a whole number. 4. 4 is a whole number. Whatever the quotient number, you have to take it as a whole number. And this denominator, remainder number you take it as a numerator. So remainder you take it as a numerator and denominator. The divisor number you take it as a denominator. See here you can observe these two denominators will be equal, children. So once again I am repeating. Quotient number you take it as a whole number and the remainder number you take it as a numerator and divisor as a denominator. So what? 23 by 5 nothing but 4 3 by 5. 44 by 3. 44 you need to divide by 3, children. Here 44 dividing by 3. Now 4 is the first number. First digit is bigger than the divisor, children. So in first step we need to divide only one digit. 4 will not come in 3 table. No? So what we need to take here? 3 ones are 3, which is smaller here. You know the divisions now? 3 ones are 3. Now 4 minus 3 will be 1. And bring it down the next digit here 4. Now 3 4s are 12. So 2 will be left. After completing this will be the remainder. So how we can write this? This 14 as a whole number. Quotient number as a whole number I don't know. So 14 as a whole number. And this 2 as a numerator. Remainder as a numerator. And 3 as a denominator, which is divisor here. So 44 by 3 nothing but 14 2 by 3. Come on, have a look at this bit, children. Convert the following mixed fractions into improper fractions. Given fractions are mixed fractions, children. This we need to convert into improper. How to convert into improper? This denominator number and whole number you need to multiply, children. Denominator number and whole number you need to multiply. So 3 7s are. And with that answer you need to add the numerator by denominator as it is. Yes, children. So 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2, 22, 23. So 23 by 3. Nothing but here 21, 22, 23. 23 by same denominator here. Denominator won't change in the place of denominator, children. So here 7 2 by 3 nothing but 23 by 3 means once again I am repeating, children. Denominator number you should multiply by the whole number. 3 7s are 21 and with that product you add the numerator number 22 23. So 23 by 3. Problem, children, here. So you need to multiply here denominator and its whole number. So denominator is 12 and into 8. And you need to add the numerator for that product. With that product by denominator number as it is. Now 12 8s are 96 children. 96 plus 5. 97, 98, 99, 100 and 101. So here 101 by 12 means 8 5 by 12 is equals to 101 by 12. Yes, in the next bit, convert the following unlike fractions into like fractions. We are converting the unlike fractions into the like fractions, children. So, unlike fractions means before that, we need to check those are unlike fractions or not given fractions. Yes. Here 4, 6 and it's mixed fractional, children. First you convert this mixed into the improper. Okay, already I told you in this running video how to convert. So here I am taking this first fraction as it is 3 by 4 and second fraction I am taking 8 by 6 and here I am changing this mixed into improper. How to change here? This denominator you need to multiply with the whole number and that product you need to add with the numerator. Now 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3. 17, 18, 19. So we are getting here 19 and denominator as it is. So 19 by 8 we are getting. So these are the given fractions and here denominators you can observe 4, 6, 8. So these are the unlike fractions. This we need to convert into the like fractions. Means like fractions means we need to get this in this denominator's place same number, children. So how it is possible? How it is possible means you need to take the LCM of denominators 4, 6, 8. So here I am taking how to do the LCMs. LCMs of denominator. What are the denominators here? 4, 6, 8. Okay. So how to do the LCM, children? You need to check this 4 and 6 and 8 is divisible by which table. The three numbers should divisible with that table which you are selecting here. So these three numbers in which table it is possible, children? With what table it is possible to divide here? So in 2 table it is possible. Means in 2 table you will get 4 and in 2 table you will get 6 and in 2 table you will get 8. So these three numbers we can divide by 2 tables. So we can take it as a 2 table. When it is possible 2 table, when you get this 4 in 2 table, 2 2s are 4. Yes. So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. And when it is possible to get 6 in 2 table, 2 3s are 6. So 2 3s are 6. When you are multiplying these two, you should get this number, children. 2 2s are 4. Now 2 3s are 6. Now 8 when it is possible in 2 table 4 times. So 2 4s are. So 2 4s are 8. Again I am repeating. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. This is LCM, children. Okay. Means this 4, 6, 8 can divide by 2 table. And later again you check this 2 and 3 and 4 will get in which table except the one table, children. Okay, is it possible to get these numbers in any table here as a products? No, these numbers we won't get in any table. So if how much it is possible, if 3 numbers are not possible, at least you check for any 2 numbers in this. Here, yes, at least 2 numbers. These 3 numbers means 2 and 3 and 4 in any table it won't divide except the one table, children. So leave that one table and at least you check for 2 numbers, any 2 numbers. Here I am taking here 2 and 3. If will you get that 2 numbers in any table? No. As a product? No. So you can check this 2 and 4. Yes, 2 and 4 is a possible in 2 table as a product. So here we can take into the 2 table here. Yes, in 2 table when it is possible, 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Okay, and this 3 will not come in 2 table, children. Okay, so if you are not getting this 3 as it is, you can take. And now this 4 when it is possible in 2 table, 2 2s are 4. I have taken 2 2s are 4. Okay, now next 1 3 2. Is it possible in any table? No. At least any 2 numbers? No. These all are possible in one table, but except the one table I said no. So in other table it is not possible, children. Means these numbers will not get as a products here. So stop it and multiply the at last numbers to get the LCM. LCM is equals to this 2 into this 2 into this 1 and into this 3 and into this 2. Okay. Now let's multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So LCM is 24 children. So here for this LCM is 24. Now let's take one more fraction term. So first fraction I am taking here 3 by 4. Now into in 4 table this with this 4 you divide the LCM children. Okay. With this 4 you divide the LCM. Already I told you the simplest form now. Divide the LCM means 24 you divide by this 4 children. When it is possible 4 1s are 4 6s are. So we are getting 6 here. With this 6 you need to multiply this. Okay. Again I am repeating children. This LCM number you need to divide by this denominator. So when you are dividing here as the simplest form you know here. So when you are dividing you are getting 6 as an answer. So you should multiply by the 6 the given fraction. So 6 by 6. So now 3 6 are 18 and 4 6 are 24. Now let's take down the second fraction 8 by 6. Now with this 24 you divide by the 6 children. So 24 LCM number we are dividing by 6. Okay. 6 1s are 6 4s are. Now this number you need to multiply here. 4 by 4. Now 8 4s are 32 and 6 4s are 24. Okay. Now let's take down the third fraction 19 by 8. Into now this 24 you divide by the 8 table children here. 24 I am dividing by the 8 table. 8 1s are 8 3s are. So 3 I am getting as an answer. So multiply by 3. So 19 3s are 57 by 8 3s are 24. Now you check these answers children. I am writing here. First fraction answer what I got here. This is a rough column work. So first fraction answer is 18 by 24. Second fraction answer is 32 by 24. And third fraction answer is 57 by 24. So given are unlike fractions and I changed into like fractions where we got the same denominator. Yes children, I hope you understood the fractions conversions children. Come on, I gave the worksheet on that. Have a look at this. Convert the following improper fractions into mixed. I gave the given fractions are improper children. We need to convert into mixed. How to convert the improper into mixed? The numerator number whatever I gave that you divide by the denominator. Nothing but 66 you divide by 5 table. Okay. So whatever the whole number quotient you are getting that you write as a whole number and denominator remainder you write as a numerator and denominator nothing but divisor children. Here also 106 you divide by 12 table and second convert the following mixed fractions into improper fractions. The given mixed fraction 3 12 by 20 15 5 by 15 you need to convert into improper fraction. How to convert? This denominator number and whole number you need to multiply. With that product you need to add the numerator by denominator as it is. Again here 15 into 15 plus 5 divided by 15. Again denominator place won't change children. Denominator number only you have to solve in numerator number to convert into improper fractions. Now third one, convert the following unlike fractions into like fractions. Given unlike fractions 6 by 12, 15 by 3, 4 by 6. In video I gave one of the mixed fraction children. There you are converted. But coming to here we don't have any mixed fractions. So directly you find the LCM of the denominators and later you convert into the like fractions here. Thank you.